Good morning, class. It is question number 38. If theta is the angle which the straight line joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 subtend at the origin, prove that tan theta equal x2 y1 minus y2 x1 upon x1 x2 plus y1 y2 and cos theta equal x1 x2 plus y1 y2 upon a square root x1 square plus x2 square root y1 square plus y2 square. No. Let it is OX, OY and O is the origin. Now theta is the angle which the straight line joining the points x1, y1, x2, y2. That it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2. And theta is the angle which this straight line AB subtend at the center. Means this angle AOB is theta. It is given. We have to prove tan theta equal this term and cos theta equal this term. Now since it is point x1, y1, then the distance of this point from y-axis is x1 and distance of this point from x-axis is y1. Means OM is x1 and AM is y1. And similarly for B, distance of point B from x-axis is y2 and from y-axis is x2. Okay. Now if the line OB makes an angle theta 2 with a positive direction of x-axis and the line OA makes an angle theta 1 with a positive direction of x-axis, means we let OA and OB makes an angle theta 1 and theta 2 with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense respectively. Then this angle theta is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Then if we put tan theta, then tan theta is equal to tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2, sorry, tan theta 1 minus theta 2, that is theta 1 minus theta 2. Now tan A minus B is equal tan A minus tan B one plus tan A tan B. Now tan theta 1 in triangle AOM, tan theta 1 is perpendicular upon base, means it is y1 by x1. Tan theta 2 in triangle OBN, tan theta 2 equal y2 upon x2, 1 plus y1 by x1 into y2 by x2. Now y1 x2 x1 y2 x1 x2 x1 x2 plus y1 y2 by x1 x2. These two terms cancel out. We have y1 x2 minus x1 y2 by x1 x2 plus y1 y2. It is the value of tan theta, and cos theta is equal cos theta 1 minus theta 2. Value of theta is theta 1 minus theta 2. Now open the formula of cos A minus B, which is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now value of cos theta 1, cos theta 1 is perpendicular upon, sorry, base upon hypotenuse. Theta 1 base is OM, means x1, and hypotenuse is, by Pythagoras theorem we have x1 square y1 square. Similarly for OB is x2 square plus y2 square, means OA is equal x1 square plus y1 square, distance between x and y1 and 0, 0, and OB is equal distance between x2 y2 and 0, 0, x2 square plus y2 square. Then put the value cos theta base upon hypotenuse, means x1 upon hypotenuse is x1 square plus y1 square, cos theta 2 base upon hypotenuse Now sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means y1 upon, in triangle OAM, y1 upon square root x1 square plus y1 square, and it is y2 upon square root x1 square plus y1 square. Then it is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 by square root x1 square plus y1 square, and it is x2 square plus y2 square, and it is answer.